News-bebimi.cc is a rogue site designed to load dubious content and redirect visitors to other pages. Likely, these will be untrustworthy or even malicious websites. By the way, the internet is full of such pages that are similar to news-bebimi.cc. And definitely the name of this website, news-bebimi.cc, does not make any sense at all if you analyze its name, of course. Now, another thing is that people quite unlikely visit such pages like news-bebimi.cc based on their own intention. Instead, they may be redirected to such pages as a result of some adware enabled in your computer. Rogue websites are seldom accessed intentionally, that's for sure. So if you have noticed that somehow News-bebimi.cc attacks your screen, first thing you can do is to research the list of your available applications and delete any programs that are suspicious. The same applies to Windows computers, and by the way, News-bebimi.cc mainly attacks Windows devices. So check the control panel and remove any programs that are suspicious. The mistake is when people click on this allow button as instructed by the pop-up, because this way the browser gets hijacked and infected, so you start getting a lot of ads in various parts of your screen, primarily in the right bottom part of your Windows computer screen. If you have clicked on that allow button, you need to fix your browser immediately. Go to the menu of your Google Chrome or other browser, click on Settings, scroll down to Privacy and Security, choose Site Settings. In Permissions, click on Notifications and go to the bottom of the list to find the malicious site news-bebimi.cc. So remove it from this list and remove other sites causing similar troubles. So this was the solution to fix your Google Chrome browser manually. But as I said, similar troubles may occur with other Windows browsers. If you still experience problems with your Windows computer, consider checking it with a combo cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software and start examining your system to make sure that there are no any other traces of malware. Combo Cleaner will help you very well to detect other possible threats remaining in your computer. How to use Combo Cleaner antivirus for fixing your Windows computer and browser-related problems. The program is initially in the trial mode. You may select the preferred scan type. However, remember that full scan or custom scan are only the parts of the premium version. There are some other good features in Combo Cleaner, like big files and duplicates checker. You may consider using these features. But if you want to get your PC fully fixed or at least inspected, consider the quick scan in the trial mode. So click on Start Scan button. The program will begin scanning your computer, and it will soon discover certain problems related to your available browsers or possibly related to the other issues with your Windows computer. Then the program at the end of scan will give you the full report about the current condition of your Windows computer and Windows related browsers. You may then get the clear image of what is going on with your computer, and you may consider upgrading to the premium version of the application to get all these troubles fixed and dealt with.